Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make yourself visible to friends and users you follow on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, and now click account information, and now here you'll find visible to, click on it here, and now here you'll find friends and users I follow, just click on it and click save, and it will be saved, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.